Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Wade!
What is going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and we got a little bit different of a video today. Now, as you can tell from the title, this particular part of the video is probably going to be pretty short because it was an epic fail. I have no idea how cooks use the snake method. I fought around with this method for about 20 minutes and it got the best of me. So I'm going to switch things up and go back to the 2-zone method, which for me is a tried and true method on the kettle cooker. Now, what I like about the 2-zone method on the kettle cooker is that it's pretty much the same thing as the snake method. You put most of your lit coals on one side and you can get a very long burn without adding any additional fuel. That means no extra wood chunks and no extra coals. So we're gonna go ahead and switch things up. We'll put the ribs back on there, make sure that they're offset to the coals and the wood, and we're gonna go ahead and let this thing cook. When I do the 2-zone method, I do put a piece of wood inside that or in between the lid just to make sure that I got good airflow. And as you can see, this tip is gonna be shooting straight up inside of about 12 minutes. Now that we got that temp up, let's go ahead and check under this lid and see what our color is looking like. And what I love about the 2-zone method is that it produces the same results as an offset cooker, right? Just with less fuel consumption. It's super efficient. So we're gonna go ahead and switch things up for this cook, and we gotta move fast because you're gonna watch in the background that fire is, because all the oxygen that is getting to it with that lid wide open, you're gonna get that fire basically roaring inside of a couple of seconds. So I'm only going to be using Parquet squeeze butter and barbecue sauce to wrap. Wanted to do things just a little bit different for this cooker, right? So now that these things have done, they cook for another roughly 3-ish hours. We're going to go ahead and pull them off the smoker and get them inside. And now for my favorite part, Christmas in July, unwrapping the finished product. So these particular ribs got a little bit darker than I wanted to, but as you can see, we got some nice pullback because I have my bones towards the fire end of the cooker. All right, make sure you put the bones towards the fire end, and that's where you can go ahead and start to get that pullback. If you put the meat in towards it, you're kind of get that it's basically going to burn, and it'll be even darker than what's towards the top of my screen over here. So Pitmaster pro tip, make sure you pay attention to the color and wrap just a wee bit early so you can maintain that color once they're wrapped, because they do get a little bit darker after you wrap them. All right, so let's go ahead and cut these things up, pick up a bone, and see what that smoke ring is looking like. Haha, honey, will you marry me? All right, so smoke ring looks good. Let's go ahead and see what the moisture is talking about. Oh yeah, let's see that again. Boom, nice, juicy, and moist. All right, bite test. Let's go ahead and check them out. And once again, spoiler alert, we nailed it. All right. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. And we'll see you guys on the next video here at Tremendous Q's Cooking Channel.